Welcome to DSS Takara-Bio India Pvt Ltd, a company profile. We are a joint venture between Takara-Bio Inc Corporation, Japan and DSS Imagetech India Pvt Ltd, where Takara-Bio Inc Corporation is a renowned brand committed in developing world-class research tools for biotechnology, whereas DSS Imagetech Pvt Ltd is continuing to redefine biotechnology for several years in India. The joint venture between these two, also known as DTI, has been established for over 7 years for manufacturing range of molecular biology reagents. Takara-Bio Group brings us brands such as Takara, Clontech and Cellartis. Moreover, we are also the partners for brands such as Macherey Nagel, Promocell and Promokine. The DTI manufacturing facility located in New Delhi is an ISO certified unit for manufacturing wide range of temperature sensitive molecular biology reagents following Takara-Bio Inc Corporation, Japan's quality testing parameters. We are present all across the country with stationed offices in 9 major cities, with New Delhi as our head office. We are also known for a highly efficient logistics services available across the country. Takara-Bio Inc Corporation, with its headquarters in Kusasu, Japan, has been developing world-class scientific technologies and products since its launch in 1967. Our partner brands such as Macherey Nagel or MN, a German brand since 1911, is known for its bioanalysis product portfolio for products such as nucleic acid isolation kits, HTP products, just to name a few. Another brand, Promocell and Promokine, from Germany again, is also known for expertise products in cell culture and related products, for products inclusive of stem cells, media and so on. Our very own product portfolio ranges from products such as PCR, cloning, next-gen sequencing and library construction kits, viral transduction, protein profiling, stem cell research, genome editing, and so on. You may also find more of our details on our newly launched website at www.dsstakara-bio.com, and do not forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Google+, and YouTube. That's good science, and have a very good day.